Okay, boom, I know you saw my bomb ass in the beginning of the video. So today we are doing a wig install sponsored by LAVYHAIR. Thank y'all so much for sponsoring today's content. Make sure that you screenshot right now, okay? Because these are the products that I will be using to bleach and tint my knots. I love that they come with all the hair care tips and info that you need. So if you want to get all the information about this wig, check my description box. The lace, the length, the texture, all that will be in the description box below. And if you like this wig, girl, and you like how I customize it, make sure to go to my Depop page because I sell all my wigs at a discounted price and they come customized, okay? Do y'all see the lace? Do you see the knots? Do you see the beautiful hair? Get into it. I'm not gonna cap. I loved this wig, and I'm also going to give a review at the end, so stay tuned to that as well. Like, look at the knots. Look how tiny they are. And it's pre-plucked. It's giving, okay? So basically, I'm going to let y'all watch me work. Right now, I'm getting all my bleach and developer together. I'm creating a thick consistency for my paste. And yeah, I'm going to lift the knots so they blend in better with my skin. Hey y'all, so I'm jumping in really quickly to give you guys a few tips. When you are lifting your knots, you want to make sure that the consistency is thick enough so it won't seep through the lace, but it's thin enough, meaning it has enough developer to actually lift, okay? So you want like a toothpaste consistency, but a little bit thinner, if that makes any sense. Make sure you're timing yourself so you don't over bleach your knots. I did a little bit, but I fixed that problem with a little bit of black dye. And now we're moving on to the plucking stage, okay? So this side is not plucked. This side was plucked. I'm gonna keep it a back with y'all. This is my first round of plucking. I pluck a lot. I did not include that all in today's video because we would have been here for an hour, but I pluck a lot with regular tweezers, and I make sure I part in between. Some people pluck on wet hair, some people do it on dry. I do both. And thank you to Arrogant Tay because he told me about the white towel underneath your wig. That is a great tip that I suggest everyone to use. But other than that, plucking is really, really easy, and it just depends on your preference. So now that the wig looks a little more natural and it has a more natural hairline, we're going to get into tinting the knots. I like to use even lace tint. Lace tints, period, it's just easier to spray the whole wig versus putting makeup on it. So one thing I would suggest you do is make sure that you like the way the hairline looks on your skin before you go on to the next step. So if you are curious to know where you can find the even lace tints, I got mine off of Amazon. I would suggest that you go into your local beauty supply though, so you know exactly what color you should get, because it's going to depend on your skin type and your skin tone. Next, we're getting into cutting some layers into the hair. Girl, I don't know how to do this for real. All I do is get some small tiny shears, cutting scissors, and I just go crazy, okay? I pick up different pieces of the hair and I cut at an angle, and I do end up cutting a lot of the hair off. So now we're going to get into laying down the wig and actually doing the install. This is an old cap that I have from another wig, and I will be using some Ghost Bond glue today and some Got2b to make sure that everything stays in place. For the girlies in the back that do not know, I love to do 3 layers of glue so my wig never goes anywhere. And fun fact, I do a little bit of glue on the last round because you don't want your glue to be too thick, because then it's just going to seep right through the lace and then it's going to get messy, girl, and then it's not going to look natural. We don't want that, okay? And I also use a blow dryer in between stages so I don't have to wait for forever for the glue to dry. So now that that's all done and laid, this is what the hair looks like in its natural state, and it's really pretty, but I just wanted a more defined look, so I thought let me go ahead and put some waves in it. I'm using this like 1.5 inch flat iron from Target, and I'm basically trying to give myself some like beach waves. I don't know what to call them, girl. I'm basically doing flat iron curls, but I'm keeping the ends straight so it gives me a more wavy look instead of a like curly Sue curl, if that makes sense. Now onto the edges. I swear this is still the hardest part of the process for me, simply because I have yet to get a really tiny you know, edge curler, edge flat iron curler. Yeah, I like the curly fluffy baby hair look, but I don't have a tool to use. But I don't have the tool yet to get that effect. So all I'm doing is using Got To Be spray and my edge brush to create the fluffy look, because basically after I allow my edges to dry, I comb them out so it looks more natural. Okay, you guys, so here is the final result, the finished products. It took me a long time to like my baby hairs, and honestly they just keep moving. I still don't like them, so please disregard. I'm tired. Also disregard the mess in the background, but I absolutely positively love these waves. It's giving cute yet effortless. I'm gonna give a quick review of the hair because I actually really loved it. I don't know if it's because I haven't filmed a video like a wig install in a while, but I absolutely love this hair. It's extremely soft. I didn't experience any shedding, and it can hold a curl because I curled my hair a really long time ago, but I did spray it with Got To Be, and I didn't comb it until the end. So if you do the similar process, then you should experience the same outcome as me. But girl, these waves, these curls are fire. Okay, the lace laid really well. And I could tell from the beginning, like as soon as I unboxed the hair, that I was gonna absolutely fall in love with the lace, which I did. All of the info on this hair will be in the description box below, so make sure you check out like what kind of lace it is, the hair, the lengths, etc. The knots bleach really well. Something I left out, I did over bleach them a tad, so I went over the roots with a little bit of black dye. But other than that, that was my only like problem. That's not even a problem, because some knots don't dye, they don't lift at all, and then you'll have a problem. So yeah, I don't have no complaints, babe. I don't want to sit here and rap to y'all too long. If y'all shop with them, let me know. Let me know the vibes. Also, if you're interested in any hair that I wear on my channel, do know that I be selling my wigs. Okay, this is my hair. I can do whatever I want with it, and I always sell it at a discounted price, and you get it pre-plucked, you get it styled, and you also get it like customized, like already bleached and everything. So comment down below if you want dips, you know what I'm saying, or DM me on Instagram. But yeah, y'all, that wraps up this video. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to comment down below. Tell me what you want me to film next, because I got y'all with the content. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, mamas.
Diamonds on my ring and on my arms. Watch me flex on your